Hello and welcome to 7 Energies Holistic channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the 10 surprising benefits of eating garlic every day. Garlic is a well-known ingredient that is commonly used in cooking, and the average person consumes 2 pounds of garlic each year. Also, did you know that it has numerous health benefits? Let's take a closer look at how garlic can benefit your health. Boosts immune system. Garlic contains compounds that help to boost the immune system, and it also aids in the fight against illness when the situation calls for it. Garlic offers an immune system boost to help prevent colds and the flu virus. Regular consumption of garlic can help to fight off infections, viruses and other diseases. Lowers cholesterol. Garlic has been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides levels by 10 to 15%. Furthermore, eating garlic does not influence your HDL or good cholesterol levels. If you have a family history of heart disease or suffer from heart disease, you should consider adding garlic to your diet. This can help to prevent heart disease and stroke. Regulates blood pressure. Garlic can help to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. It also improves blood circulation, which can benefit the heart and other organs. Reduces inflammation. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. Fights cancer. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to help prevent and fight cancer. Regular consumption of garlic has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer such as stomach and colon cancer. Improves digestion. Garlic can help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive problems such as constipation and bloating. It also helps to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Enhances athletic performance. Garlic has been shown to improve athletic performance by reducing fatigue and increasing endurance. Promotes healthy skin. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging. Treats respiratory problems. Garlic has been used for centuries to treat respiratory problems such as coughs, colds, and asthma. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help to fight off infections. Helps with weight loss. Garlic can help to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. It can also help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings for sugary foods. So, from boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin, garlic is truly a superfood. The next time you are in the kitchen, remember to add some garlic to your meals for an extra health boost. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. We'll see you in the next video.